Well, hello, first grade scientists. Are you ready for another science job today? So put on your white coats and let's head to the lab. Today we are going to look at our target skill. It is, I can apply inquiry skills during investigations. So boys and girls, those inquiry skills we talked about yesterday are how we think like a scientist. All right, so your job today, boys and girls, is going to be to use those skills. You are going to head outside, friends, and use those skills that we talked about yesterday. So, go outside and investigate. Using this paper to record your observations and your results, boys and girls, you are going to head outside and you are going to observe something. I compared. So, find things in nature. Maybe it's in your yard. Maybe it's at a park near your house. Maybe it's growing right outside your apartment building. Anything you want to find in nature and compare it. Say compare. Compare is when you look at two or more things and say how they are the same and how they are different. So for me, boys and girls, I took a walk today and I found two leaves. One leaf is from a plant that is growing flowers in the garden, and another leaf is from a tree. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to compare these leaves. What do you see that is the same? What do you see that are different? For me, I will write on the line about my leaves. Then I observed. What did I observe about my leaves? What are some other things that I can say, other information that I gained from looking at my leaves? I measured. Boys and girls, how are you going to measure? Are you going to use something like feet for distance? Are you going to use a scale for weight? For me, with my leaves, I could use a ruler to measure the length of my leaves. That would tell me more information about my leaves. And then your last step, boys and girls, so you're going to tell me what you measured and how you measured it, and then draw the tool that you used to measure. Make a model. The last step is to make a model of the thing that you were inquiring about, the thing that you were observing. So for me, it was leaves. It was leaves. So I made a model using construction paper. Boys and girls, you could make a model using Play-Doh or Lego. What else do you have at home that you could use to make a model of the thing that you found in nature? I found leaves. You could find something else. So go outside, find something in nature, and then investigate it. Have fun, first graders.